The COMPAMED 2023 is once again very busy. It's the place where people in the medical sector come to form new relationships, find new manufacturing technologies, new materials, new processes to incorporate into their finished medical devices. We're at the stand of Multivac, a company known for general packaging solutions. Here at the COMPAMED, they're showing how they add value to their processes, to medical manufacturing. Thomas Wolzenberg, thanks for speaking with us today. Specifically about medical packaging, what does your company bring of added value to the market?
Yeah, we bring as added value a high quality pack on our products. That means on the medical products you need some safety from the regulation, and we can deliver a pack which fulfill all these quality specific regulations. That means high quality product packed in with a good thermoforming machine or pouch machine or tray sealer machines. Therefore, we are really fulfill customers' specific requirements in the end.
Now, you've occupied this spot in the COMPAMED for quite a few years, as long as I've been coming to the COMPAMED. How did it all start? When were you first presenting at the COMPAMED?
We started 2001 with our first booth here, with a really small booth, with a small team, with 3 people and 2 machines. And over the years, we're growing more and more. We have now 5-6 people on our booth, and we have bigger machines with high-end solutions. That means we have automatic solutions on our booth. We have also small machines for customers which are already starting to pack medical products. Until our customer, we have 84 daughter companies worldwide. We are really deliver in more than 160 countries worldwide our medical products. So therefore we have already a lot of customers which coming to our booth and looking what is new in our system here.
Speaking of customers, if I could get you to walk with me, we have quite a way to go till the next stand as part of this tour at COMPAMED 2023. Explain one of those relationships, or a few, how they formed and where they stand today.
We're starting to have relationships with film supplier. We have printer supplier, some relationship also with other companies and also with our customer. Here we find every year all our customer, a lot of customer coming over the years already. And as I already mentioned, they can see some news from us. We always try to present some new things every year.
As I've seen the progression myself each year. Thanks for joining us, and thank you for continuing to exhibit at the COMPAMED.
Okay, thank you very much.
Great. Moving on here. We're almost there. I really thank him for coming with. It's often tricky to get through these very full hallways here at COMPAMED. And now we are joining Alim. Hi, Stefan.
Nice meeting you.
Stefan Müller, nice to meet you. Tell us a little bit about the background of the company, why you're exhibiting at COMPAMED this year.
Sure, of course. You know, we are a medical device supplier to the medtech world. We're focusing on process capabilities here. So let's start here. You know, we're right in front of our, one important product portfolio, which are the nitinol components. We're focusing on process capabilities, as I said. And in nitinol, there's a lot to do, like shape setting. We do grinding. We do braiding a lot, but we also do like finished goods, as you see here. These are, for example, urology retrieval devices. But that's not it. When it comes to our manufacturing sites in Palm Coast and US and Zug in Switzerland, we do lots of general wire solutions. We do lots of wire drawing down to 6 or 7 micron. We do lots of coating, we do stranding, we do coiling. And, this is what we offer for the medical device market, which is very well received so far. Yeah.
What's a kind of a profile of a usual customer? Who comes to you at this show and engages you looking for solutions?
And this is a wide range of customers. These are large medical device companies who are in the middle of a new development, so we offer the solutions there. But we also have lots of startups, for example. They are looking for new material, they're looking for solutions. We have like 15 or 20 engineers in our company, so we support startups a lot. And, this is also mother of success in Alema. Yeah.
Stefan, if you could walk with me to the next stand. We have a little bit of a ways to go, and I don't want to have to bring everybody along with me alone. And I want to get to a topic that's often important within the medical device sector, the issue of waste and sustainability.
Yeah.
Is that a theme within your company, and what ideas do you have in your company? What are you bringing forward in that respect?
I mean, this is, of course, a huge thing within Alema. Sustainability is one of the major targets in here. When we do have concrete targets, so our plan is by 2030 to reduce our CO2 emission by 50%.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
As well as we want to go net zero by 2050. As you may know, in Alema, we also melt stainless steel, but we actually buy stainless steel back and recirculate. So 83% of the stainless steel that we're melting was actually before in the market, and we're going to reuse it for our own production.
So true post-consumer use.
Absolutely, yeah.
Stefan, we're here. Thank you so much for your time and for walking with me, and have a great COMPAMED.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
And here we are at the stand of DSM Feminish, which is a new name to me. I've always known them under DSM, so I'm trying to get some insight into what has changed and what those changes mean. Kathena,
Yes.
please tell us about the name change, what it means, how it happened, just some background there.
Sure. So the name change is now DSM Firmenich. We were the biomedical arm of DSM, historical DSM. But the reason why it happened is because we wanted to bring together two innovative companies, DSM and Firmenich, to just expand our global footprint and our offerings.
Is there anything specific outside of the name change that you're presenting at the show, something you're focusing on?
Absolutely. So at this show in particular, we're really excited to feature our entire platform of materials. There's a lot of shows that we focus on particular therapeutic areas over others, but here is really our opportunity to show our entire biomaterial platform of customizable materials, and really in our display cases everything is featured.
Now you decide to come back to the COMPAMED now under the new name. What was behind the decision? What's the benefit for you in coming here, and how important is it to have it combined with the MEDICA?
So year after year, COMPAMED/MEDICA proves to be a really fantastic show for us because we have a global team, and it's really a chance for us to show not only our global footprint, but also to interact with our global partners and customers all in one place. And so it's a huge opportunity for us to be able to not only shake hands and meet our current partners, but also to engage with other industry leaders such as ourselves, and to learn a little bit about what's happening in the industry as a whole. So overall, year after year, COMPAMED proves to be just a wonderful opportunity for our team to just be here and be present and have a great week.
Kathena from DSM Feminish, the new name. Thank you very much for joining us and for taking part in the COMPAMED.
Thank you for having us.
So there you have it from Hall 8A of the COMPAMED, where we've met a few customers, just telling us how important it is for them to attend, to take part, and to form all the new relationships that business is based on. The halls are full here on day one at the COMPAMED 2023. Thank you for joining us. Come on down to Düsseldorf. Bye for now.